Imagine a stadium so seamlessly carved into the earth that it feels more like a natural wonder than a human creation. Welcome to Quzhou Sports Park, where the world's largest underground stadium redefines architecture, blending sustainability, innovation, and the beauty of nature into a single, breathtaking masterpiece. Quzhou Sports Park is the brainchild of mad architects, led by visionary Ma Yansong. This isn't just a sports facility, it's a harmonious melding of nature and human ingenuity, a modern-day masterpiece that pushes the boundaries of what architecture can achieve. What sets this park apart is not its scale, although it is massive, but its philosophy. Instead of dominating the landscape, the stadium integrates into it, almost disappearing entirely. Ma Yansong envisioned a space where humanity and nature coexist, inspired by the principles of Chinese landscape painting. The design avoids sharp edges and towering structures, favoring smooth curves that mimic the gentle flow of hills. This isn't just a building, it's an experience. Beneath the surface lies a 30,000-seat stadium, but the approach is one of subtlety, encouraging visitors to feel connected to the earth rather than isolated from it. The stadium itself is a marvel of engineering. Despite being underground, it's filled with natural light. Strategic skylights and an open central design allow sunlight to pour in, eliminating the need for excessive artificial lighting during the day. The underground structure also takes advantage of natural insulation, maintaining a comfortable temperature year-round while minimizing energy use. This approach not only reduces the stadium's environmental footprint, but also exemplifies how sustainable design can still deliver on grandeur. The vision for Quzhou Sports Park extended far beyond a single stadium. The site includes an aquatic center with Olympic-standard facilities, a gymnasium equipped for a variety of sports, and public recreation areas that encourage community engagement. Trails wind through the park, inviting visitors to explore and enjoy the space. From the families picnicking to athletes training for their next big event, the park serves as a vibrant hub for everyone. The construction of Quzhou Sports Park was a monumental endeavor, involving a diverse team of professionals and laborers. Mad architects, under the leadership of Ma Yansong, spearheaded the design, with principal partners Dang Chun and Yasuki Hayano played significant roles. The architectural team comprised associate partners Liu Huiying, Qin Li, and Fu Chang-rei, along with a dedicated group of architects and designers, including Xu Qian, Li Kunhao, Li Guangchong, Li Gang, and others. Collaborating with Mad Architects were several specialized firms. PWP Landscape Architecture handled the landscape, Schleich Bergermann Partner served as the structural engineer, SC Consultant Limited managed MEP engineering, and Ning's Field Lighting Design was responsible for lighting consultation. The facade consultancy was provided by RFR Asia, and Nippon Design Center Incorporated contributed to signage design. The client for this ambitious project was the Chujo West District Development Committee, in partnership with Chujo Baoyi Sports Construction and Operation Co. Limited. Building the world's largest underground stadium came with significant challenges. Creating a structure capable of supporting the weight of the earth above required advanced engineering solutions. Reinforced concrete and innovative load distribution systems ensured the stadium's integrity, while the design team carefully planned every aspect to balance safety and aesthetics. Another major challenge was ensuring proper lighting and ventilation. Underground environments can feel stifling, but the architects employed a mix of skylights and strategically placed ventilation shafts and high-tech air circulation systems to create a space that feels open and breathable. One of the most remarkable aspects of this project was its commitment to preserving the natural environment. Construction crews worked meticulously to minimize disruption to the local ecosystem. Trees were relocated instead of being cut down, and once construction was complete, native vegetation was restored. The stadium's roof, now a vibrant green space, doubles as a habitat for local flora and fauna, turning what might have been an environmental burden into a thriving ecological feature. The result is a space that feels alive. It's not just a stadium, it's a park, a refuge, and a community gathering place. For local residents, Quzhou Sports Park offers more than just a venue for major sporting events. It's a place to connect with nature, with one another, and with a deeper sense of peace that's often lost in urban environments. The park's design encourages exploration, with winding pathways and hidden nooks that make every visit unique. This integration of utility and beauty reflects the cultural significance of landscape architecture in China, where harmony between people and their surroundings has been a cornerstone for centuries. Globally, Quzhou Sports Park is making waves as a model for sustainable development. By burying the stadium underground, the project avoided the visual and environmental disruption typically associated with such massive structures. The green roof enhances local biodiversity, reduces rainwater runoff, and helps regulate temperatures in the area. The stadium's design promotes energy efficiency, relying on natural light and ventilation to minimize its carbon footprint. This project is a powerful statement about the future of architecture. In an area of rapid urbanization and climate challenges, Chujo Sports Park demonstrates how infrastructure can be built to coexist with the planet instead of depleting its resources. It challenges traditional notions of what a stadium should look like and how it should function. By prioritizing sustainability and community over sheer spectacle, mad architects have set a new standard for large-scale urban projects. The success of Quzhou Sports Park raises exciting possibilities for what's to come. Could we see underground airports that preserve above-ground ecosystems? Entire neighborhoods built into hillsides? While these ideas may sound like science fiction today, the Quzhou Sports Park proves they're within reach. It's not just about innovation for its own sake, it's about reimagining how we live, work, and play in ways that respect the planet. Another striking feature of the Quzhou Sports Park is its emphasis on inclusivity and accessibility. The architects designed the park to accommodate all types of visitors, from sports enthusiasts to families and casual tourists. Wide, accessible pathways allow people with mobility challenges to explore the park effortlessly. The open design invites a diverse range of activities, making it a space for everyone, regardless of their purpose for visiting. This level of thoughtfulness transforms the park from just an architectural marvel into a community asset. The cultural significance of the Quzhou Sports Park also cannot be overlooked. China is a country with a rich tradition of integrating architecture into its natural environment. From ancient Chinese gardens to modern urban planning, the emphasis has always been on finding harmony between humanity and nature. Quzhou Sports Park embodies this philosophy on a grand scale, creating a modern version of these historical ideals. It's not just a space for events, it's a reflection of how modern China views its relationship with the planet. Quzhou Sports Park has also captured the world's attention for its role in promoting sustainable tourism. The stadium and its surroundings have become a destination in their own right, attracting visitors from across the globe. This influx of tourism boosts the local economy, creating jobs and opportunities for the surrounding community. However, what makes this unique is the way tourism is managed. The focus isn't on overcrowding the site, but on encouraging visitors to experience the park mindfully, respecting its natural beauty and environmental goals. For urban planners and architects, Quzhou Sports Park offers a case study in balancing ambition with responsibility. Projects of this scale often face criticism for their environmental and social impact, but the careful planning behind this park proves that it's possible to achieve both grandeur and sustainability. It's a template for future developments, showcasing how cities can grow without sacrificing the well-being of their citizens or the planet. The global implications of the Quzhou Sports Park are enormous. As cities around the world grapple with the challenges of urbanization, climate change, and resource management, the park offers a clear example of what's possible when innovation meets responsibility. The stadium's success is already inspiring architects and urban planners to rethink how they approach large-scale projects, pushing them to prioritize long-term environmental benefits over short-term gains. In a world increasingly dominated by concrete jungles, Quzhou Sports Park stands as a reminder that architecture doesn't have to be at odds with nature. It's a call to action for everyone, architects, policymakers, and individuals, to consider how we can design a future that respects the planet while meeting the needs of its people. This isn't just a sports facility, it's a vision of what the world could be. As the sun sets over the rolling hills of Quzhou Sports Park, a stadium beneath quietly fades from view. It doesn't impose itself on the landscape or demand attention. Instead, it blends into the earth, a seamless part of the environment it calls home. In doing so, it challenges us all to rethink what's possible, not just in architecture, but in how we live on this planet. What do you think about this incredible feat of design and engineering? Could this be the start of a new wave of sustainable architecture? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories about the world's most inspiring designs.